Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardo and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a brand new VW ID3 that we've upgraded with a dash camera solution that not only protects the vehicle while on the road, but also while the vehicle is parked with zero draw on the vehicle's battery. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So the upgrade that we're carrying out is something called a Thinkware Q800 Pro front and rear dash camera solution, giving you 2K image quality at the front and really high quality 1080p quality from the rear camera. We've also installed an Ivolt battery. So in terms of the solution, how it's been done, basically we've got the front camera, which is like the brain of the camera, and then that actually runs all the way, if there's a physical cable run, all the way to the back camera on the rear glass. What we've also done is added in this Ivolt battery. Basically what it means is there's zero draw on your vehicle's battery. You drive for around about sort of 30 minutes or so, and you get about 16 hours of recording on the other side. So it's a really nice way of basically having a dash cam with zero draw on your vehicle's battery, but also protecting your vehicle while it's actually parked. A really nice solution about this as well is the application it comes with. So it comes with something called Thinkware Cloud. You can actually download that right now, guys. I've actually done a full video on how that app works. So if you want to see a little bit more about actually the information of how to connect up to the dash cam, how easy it is, and sort of what features and benefits you guys are getting, make sure you go check that out, and that is in the description below. But overall, a really nice solution. So the dash camera is all very neatly installed. This is actually the second car that we've done for this particular customer. We're sitting inside at the moment enjoying some coffee and also working from our facilities here in Cambridge while the install is being carried out. So the front camera is all very neat. It's pretty much hidden behind the factory mirror, so when you're sitting in the driver's seat you can't really see it. There's zero cable runs sort of just dangling around. Everything is loomed inside the vehicle. It runs across the headlining and then to the back camera and then just pokes out with a little bit of cable. We always try to make every install as neat as possible, not only to actually view of the customer but also behind the scenes as well. So everything's gone into fuse box where it needs to be. Everything is safe in terms of the actual install behind the scenes, which is very important. But today's video is just showing you a little bit more about what the system looks like from outside the car, inside the car, and also going through a couple of the benefits of adding in a dash camera solution. We do a complete array of different options and available to you guys, so make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. I'm more than happy to go through different options. But if you do want to come by, see us, we have loads on display, some installed in quite a few of our cars here at the site in Cambridge, and you can actually go through, see what they look like installed in a vehicle yourself. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you are interested in something like this, all the stuff will be in the description below, so make sure you guys check it out. But also remember, guys, we have the massive 10K subscriber giveaway. Link for that is in the description below as well, so make sure you go check that out and you could be the lucky winner of a brand new PlayStation 5 and an Automotive premium amplifier. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.